Hello everyone. It is our honor to present our paper, Beyond Numbers, Creating Analogies to Enhance Data Comprehension and Communication with Generative AI. Complex numerical data and unfamiliar measurements can be hard to grasp. Data analogy bridges this gap by connecting abstract data with familiar concepts, making it easier to understand. For instance, instead of 650 calories, we might say, the energy of a hamburger and fries, or the calories burned after an hour of running, which is easier to understand. However, creating these analogies isn't easy. It requires diverse design strategies and a high level of expertise. Our paper aims to help amateur designers overcome these challenges. To understand how to create data analogies, we invited 4 design experts for semi-structured interviews, focusing primarily on the usage scenarios of data analogies and the general workflow for creating them. Based on the interview results, we identified 3 design requirements and 4 considerations. Previous studies lacked a systematic design space of data analogies. To fill this gap and to provide guidance for our system, we collected 138 examples from online sources and categorized them based on analogy design and representation forms. We have also made our dataset publicly available for reference. We introduce an automated 2-stage pipeline to construct the system. First, it generates analogies using GPT, refines them to enhance data accuracy and clarity, and constructs sentences in a news report style. Then, it uses GPT to design illustrations and recommend keywords. Users can choose and edit keywords to generate illustration materials with stable diffusion. The interface comprises 3 main panels. First, users input original data and select design strategies in the input panel. Then, the system automatically suggests data analogies and design solutions. Users have the option to sort analogies to meet specific needs. Then, users can select an analogy, edit its description, and generate an illustrated design scheme, including theme interpretation and recommended illustration keywords. Users can choose and edit these keywords as illustration prompt. Finally, it generates illustration materials for users. To evaluate our system, we conducted 2 user studies. The first user study conducted a within-subject study, comparing AnalogyMate with conventional web search results, to assess the system's impact on generating data analogies and illustration materials. We measured the number of ideas generated by participants within the same time, as well as the time needed for participants to find satisfactory illustrations. The results demonstrate that AnalogyMate improves both the quantity of analogy ideas generated and the efficiency in finding illustration materials compared to the baseline. After the experiment, we utilized a CSI evaluation questionnaire to evaluate system usability. The results indicated that our tool provided good creativity support. The second user study assessed the impact of system-generated data analogies on data comprehension through crowdsourced research. 80 participants rated their understanding, grasp of data scale, and engagement with context for both raw data and data analogy stimuli. Results showed significant improvements in data understanding, precision, and engagement with system-generated data analogies. Our research can have applications across various domains, including news reporting, marketing, and cross-industry collaboration, where it can simplify complex information and enhance communication. The future work includes integrating knowledge bases for tailored analogies, providing personalized recommendations, and developing a cohesive tool for the direct output of well-designed illustrations. In conclusion, this paper characterizes a design space, develops AnalogyMate, a tool for data analogy creation based on an automated pipeline, and validates its effectiveness in aiding creativity and comprehension.